The title of today's hearing is America on Fire, FIRE being an acronym for Financial Independence, Retire Early. Will the crypto frenzy lead to financial independence and early retirement or financial ruin?
We're going to a different economy, and we're going to be learning more about that as we go, but clearly we're learning that things can be done from remote locations. We're learning that technology can replace people even more than we thought.
We're not going back to the same economy. We're recovering, but to a different economy, and it'll be one that is more leveraged to technology. And I worry that that is going to make it even more difficult than it was for many workers.
In Silicon Valley, and my friends who work in technology know that what we did to the manufacturing workers, we are now going to do to the retail workers, the call center workers, the fast food workers, the truck drivers, and then even bookkeepers, accountants, insurance agents, lawyers, and on through the economy. So what happened to the manufacturing workers is a very clear sign.
This effort. And China has big plans for this. They intend to seed their digital yuan into the global environment by giving it away to visitors at next winter's Olympics. When they arrive at the airport, they're going to get yuan digital wallets. They're going to receive digital yuan. They're going to use it throughout their visits to Beijing, and then they're going to take it back to their home countries. They see this as a huge advantage. Why? Because who controls the underlying protocols, who controls the underlying standards of the future of money will control the future of money.
Welcome to the Crypto Teacher. And guys, please like and subscribe if you do like what you're listening to. Please inform your friends and family and spread all over social media. It is imperative that we get back to learning finances and understand how the world really works. Because once we understand how the world really works, we understand that it's all planned out. Now, I want to thank those who purchased the books Crypto Teacher and the New World Order book. Remember, those books are mandatory because they show you how the world really works. Also, those who donated to the Cash App, Patreon, much love, keep it coming. And then also those who are shopping at both stores, much love, keep it coming. And of course, guys, we get into Bitcoin and cryptos first. Right now, cryptos are flat. We have open interest coming up. Plus, guys, over the weekend, we are the only game in town. Now, we have Ethereum 2.0 approaches 6 million staked in Ethereum milestone. Plus, we have the hard fork also happening this month if it stays on schedule. Now, guys, do not forget about the indicators. We have volume, we have Tether, which Tether is going to be very important this month. As we saw last month, that's the reason why the market was flat. It only moved up 1 billion. We saw USDC move up 3 billion. We have USDC set to become the dominant stablecoin on Ethereum. And then also Circle now support USDC stablecoin on Tron. So guys, every other day, I'm speaking of USDC being integrated somewhere. We know Goldman Sachs is behind Circle, and we know their agenda. Now, we had the Fed do $991 billion in the repo market. Guys, that is correct. $991 billion. That's the reason why cryptos didn't take a big dip, and then also the stock market maintained. So, guys, please make sure you're looking at that app to actually see what the Fed is doing on a daily basis. That repo comes out in the afternoon. Now we have Grayscale, of course, lockup period is going to be ending, which is going to be very volatile, guys, over the next week and a half. Grayscale is that whale that's going to move the market. So we're either going to take, like I stated, a big increase or a big dip, and then we settle back down. But let's get over into the actual crypto news. Now we have the German law allows $415 billion to be invested in crypto takes effect. So the Germany Fund Location Act, the special funds, allows up to 20% of the portfolio into crypto. Now we know that's not going to come ASAP. We still need that regulation in order to bring in secured money like pensions. It doesn't matter whether you're in Europe or in the United States. We still need regulation in order to fund these markets, because then, of course, people are not going to want to put the money in, or the institutions don't want to put the money in if it's going to be lost. We know cryptos have an 80% correction, but once that real money come in, these real use cases for crypto and blockchain are going to rise above. And of course, guys, that 1% is going to rise and that other 99% is going to fall. Regulation will make that happen. Now we have NYCE Group partners with T0 for tokenization of real estate. So 18 million of the shares will be tokenized. But guys, we already know everything is going to be tokenized and put on blockchain, especially with real estate, the smart contracts. You know, I've done plenty of videos on that. Now we have Latin America Mercado Bitcoin exchange raises 200 million from Softbank. Now guys, when you see Mercado, make sure you remember that PayPal invested over like $750 million in it. So guys, make sure that I teach you to follow the money, connect the dots. Now we have Binance deploys Cipher Trace tool for travel rule compliance. Binance has definitely been in the news a lot, but I don't see anything happening with Binance. Now we have the SBI Holdings touts XRP ledger for NFT use and tokenization a variety of assets. And as we know, guys, you can put anything on XRPL and move it. We know the ledger will be used by a lot of these big banks. Now we have George Soros investment fund is reportedly trading Bitcoin. And guys, you know, I did several videos last year showing when George Soros fund was buying Bitcoin, buying at the low, selling at the high. We know the game, especially when it comes to the open society. If you have my book, you definitely understand. And lastly, guys, we have Mike Novogratz says Chinese miners exodus a big positive for crypto. But at first, guys, he said it was a negative. But we know it's nothing but the Hegelian dialectic. We haven't seen any real evidence of China making any moves. But guys, we know that China has all the mining for a reason. We know that is a strategy. We know that digital yuan is being built and moved to help us get over to the fourth industrial revolution. They're leading the way for a reason. The reason why is that America to Babylon is going to fall. Get your friends and family educated. Because remember, when it comes to the New World Order, it's all planned out. Now, don't forget about the books, Cryptoteacher and the New World Order book. Also, if you're new to cryptos, Coinbase, Bitrue, Binance, do not forget book links and crypto links are in the description. The Cryptoteacher stock channel. Do not forget about Cryptoteacher stocks. You have your Kobo, your chip stocks, your banking, your gaming. While everybody's sitting at home, got their own stocks of Seaward, the biotech stocks. And while everybody's at home getting free money or waiting on that free money, what are they doing? Drinking and smoking weed. Don't forget about those stocks, and you have a wonderful day.